Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video I'll be showing you just a quick tip on how you can remove your windshield if you're, I guess, trying to redo your windshield. Like I'm just trying to remove mine because I have to repair rust underneath, but I figured I'll make this a quick separate video because I was struggling earlier because I've never removed a window before, windshield, and typically I pay someone, but it's not going to be feasible because I have to repair the rust and everything first, so I don't really want to have them come out here, remove a windshield, and have to leave. So basically I'm just prepping it and getting it off. And just a quick tip, if you guys are struggling and you don't really have many tools, you need to have a good razor blade with plenty of razors, because they will snap frequently. And the biggest thing that made it easy for me is some WD-40. So pretty much all I do is I just spray it on the blade, spray on the inside, around the inside, spray on the outside, and then as the blade slides in and out, it basically penetrates, and it just makes it a little bit easier. Makes it a bit easier to slide in and out, and it doesn't get caught on the rubber. See how much easier that is? And I'm doing it with one hand, so I recommend you guys use two hands. Have your razor blade all the way out. And you just back and forth like scissors. And yeah, that's just my quick tip if you are struggling to remove your windshield. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Peace out.